creating a swap file, Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. That's the version I'm using, but I'm pretty sure this works for all Ubuntu's after 14. Let's just have a look here. I'm running a program. It's got 8 CPUs on my computer. They're not working hard. Memory's pretty good. I've got 2 gigs of RAM. And it's not using any swap. And if I run IO top, I can see that there's no swap being used there either. And there's a lot of IO going on. So I'm hoping that the swap will fix that. See my disk reads and writes. Okay, so to enable and create say swap, I'm gonna check first to see if I've got a swap file. So that's sudo swapon s, and actually I'm logged on as root, so I can probably just get away with that. I can also try free, and I can see swap is 000. All right. Well, let's proceed. Let's have a look at my available disks. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to put my swap file on this one. I'm going to create a 4 GB swap file. And I'm going to put it here on this disk here because it's actually quite fast. I could all put it down. I could put it down here on this disk with 822 gigs free, but this is a very slow disk, and that's probably my real issue here. But I'm going to create a swap file anyway, and I'm going to put it there. So let's proceed. I'm going to use a program called fallocate. Okay. I just created a 4 gig swap file called swap file. Let's have a look. I think I gotta go ls, and there it is, swap file down there. Anyway, let's just double check that by typing these characters, ls -lh / swap file, and it says 4 GB. Now there's the permissions here. I'm gonna have to modify those a little bit so that only root can access it, and to do that I'm gonna use chmod. There we go. Let's verify that again. Swap file. There we go. Read write for only root. Rightio. Let's make the swap file using this command because it's not a real swap file yet. There we go. Sudo make swap / swap file. 4 GB. That looks really good. Let's turn it on. Sudo swapon swap file. Enter. Okay, took a second. Let's just verify that that is showing now by using swapon s. There it is. Used 0, priority -1, size 4 gigs. Excellent. Let's just check it. Also note up here that the swap in my htop still doesn't show anything, but it will in a sec. Let's have a look. Free. Use 0. Free 4095. There we go. Anyway, if I reboot the system, that swap file is not going to be present. So let's make it permanent by using fstab. Okay. Let's add this command. That one there. Swap file none. Swap sw0. Control X. Press yes. Or Y for yes. Press enter. And that should now. Oh look. There we go. It's that little red dot. That's the swap file being used. Let's try what the swapon this is now. Used 56. That was creating a swap file on Ubuntu 16.04 LTS, and that little red dot there shows me that it's working. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and share.